Assalamu alaikum dear learners, this is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a math class for Junior 1. Dear learners, our today's topic writing words in part 3. And part 3 I have taken 1 to 250. Now look at the board. Topic writing words part 3 and our lecture 6 and homework 6. Lecture number 6 and homework number is 6. Okay, now let's start our class. And dear learners, here are 118. We start with 118 and you know that how to spell 118. Okay, at first write here 1 O-N-E 1. Okay, you repeat after me. O-N-E 100 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 118 E-I-G-H-T 18 E-E-N 118. Okay, now next number is 62, then it makes 62 S-I-X-6-T-Y 60, then 2 T-W-O 2 62. You repeat after me 62. Then 244. Here are 2, 4 and 4. It makes 244. T-W-O 200 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 244. F-O-R 40 44. F-O-U-R 44 244. Okay, then next number is 250. Okay, now 2 H-W-O 200 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 250. F-I-F-T-Y 50 250. Okay, 250. Then another number is 237, then we called it 237. 237. Now spell with 237 T-W-O 200 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 230 T-H-I-R-T-Y 37 S-E-V-E-N 7 237. Okay, then another number is 196. 196. Now write here at first, write down 1 O-N-E 1 and 100 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 196 N-I-N-E 9-T-Y 96 S-I-X 196. Okay, then 59. 59. How to spell 50? F, first F-I-F-T-Y. Okay, 59 N-I-N-E 59. Then her last number is 205, then we call it 205. 205 T-W-O 200 205 F-I-V-E. Okay, dear learners, I repeat the numbers again. 118. Okay, 118 62 S-I-X-6-T-Y 60 T-W-O 2 62. Then 244. Then T-W-O 200 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100 40 F-O-R 40 40 4 F-O-U-R 44. Then 250 T-W-O 250 F-I-F-T-Y 50. Then 237 T-W-O 230 T-H-I-R 30 30. Then 7. 196 O-N-E 100 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 196 96. Then 59 FIFTY 59, NINE 59, and her last number is 205, TWO 200, HUNDRED 105, FIVE 5. Okay, dear students, I hope you understood our today's topic. Okay, and your homework number 6, and our topics, you know, writing words, and your homework would be CW to SW. Okay, so you complete your homework. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.